Yeah, so the thing was when we started this metaverse, we knew that it's going to be a very big space and with a lot of assets involved into it and a lot of development into it. The browser base was not enough. The memory could not handle what we wanted to achieve. So standalone gave us that like space to play around with the environment, play around with the characters and everything. So the most viable option for us was to go with Unity standalone.
Perfect. And I know that a lot of people didn't believe me when I said, but how much bigger the whole island is compared to GTA map?
It's huge, multi times larger than GT or any other game that I've played.
Yeah. And that's even after we scaled down a bit
Yeah,
on the land, right? Because otherwise it would be, I don't know, 100 times bigger. It's massive. It's really massive. But I'll let Ramil in as well for a bit. Hey Ramil, how are you?
Hey guys, first of all, hope you can hear me.
We can.
All right, excellent. It's good to be here. Hope everyone's doing fine. And so, do you guys actually want to see the island itself?
Yes, let's go. Let's show it.
All right, perfect. Hang on to your seat, folks. All right, now everyone, do let me know. Is the stream visible to you? All right, can you guys see it?
Yes.
Excellent. All right, so we're gonna be having our home screen. This is gonna be tricked out. It's gonna be tweaked out some more. We're gonna add a more we're gonna add some more flexes to this as well. But let's get down right to the island, the elephant in the room. So, I'm signing in. Let's see. And here we go. This is our first ever look at the island itself. We'll be using the Mayans as characters. Yaka, stop me whenever you want. Just let me know if the stream is clear to everybody. Everybody can see what we got over here. Just let me know. Alright. So, we got the island right here in all its finesse. It's pretty clean. It's pretty shiny because... Oh. And there goes my internet. Hold on. My internet, ladies and gentlemen. Pardon me.
It's fine. It's fine. I had a problem as well. I wasn't even able to hear you for the first minute. So.
Oh damn.
Thanks.
Sad. Yeah. I was just gonna show you guys all the areas that we got over here. Alright, so the Mayans, of course, you have the Mayans, and people will be able to link their own Mayans within this. You got your inventory over here. Once you load this, you got a number of different vehicles, especially we'll be having the vehicles that we have on the Cardano Island network, the Cardano Island pages on JPEG Store. From the settings menu, users can actually change their Mayans, whichever one. Should we go with the I like cowboys, so I'm gonna go with this guy. Alright. So, seamless changes, walk around the island, run around the island. We got places for advertisements. We got Mayans right here. This giant, total freaking giant of a V-Flect. And he's wearing the Cardano shirt. Rightfully so. So across the island, you got your cribs, you got your condos, you got mainly your cribs. Large, small, medium, all of this stuff. Now, let's get down to some other stuff that we have in store for you guys. So because we are going to be having the Cardano Island vehicles contract integrated into the Cardano Island, you can fetch your very own vehicles. So naturally, you just go about it, enter the car, have at it, enjoy. And if you guys say anything, I can't hear you because the engine for this car is hella loud and I cannot hear anything. We're just gonna roam around a bit, alright? And hold on, let me get to one of the cribs up close. So these are the cribs at night. We added that nice little signature blue glow that Cardano is known for. And then, of course, we're going to be having...
Ramir, tell us about the dynamic weather system as well.
Oh yeah, we have the dynamic weather system as well, which we're still experimenting with. We got like plenty of rain. We have like immense fast sunshine. We'll be aiming for having snow as well.
We lost you there.
Oh, I could hear him normally, Nabil. I think you lost him only. All good, Ramil, on my side.
All good? Alright, perfect.
Yeah.
Alright, so regarding the weather, we're implementing rain. We're implementing hopefully snow as well, maybe a bit of storms. But that is to come, since weather is something that we're still working on. Apart from that, something really important, because there's something that you guys are all familiar with, and that is the claim.virtua.com map. So this is the 3D view of that exact map, where I believe in grid 1, I'm going to let you guys know what the grids are as well. So you guys probably remember. Yeah, you guys can see it for yourself. So most of it is blurred out. All right, we got a lot of clouds over here. We're gonna zoom in. Now wherever we are, we can just teleport to any other area, and boom, alongside the car you can teleport wherever you want. Change of day, change of pace, and you can teleport right next to whichever plot that you want, just like that. Let's get some more cars out here.
Could you go close the Guardian?
The Guardian, sure. There you go. The Guardian in all its glory. Wow, he's so big he can't even fit in the screen. Hold on, I'll actually have to go back. There you go. All seems pretty nice, pretty clear. I'm gonna load up another vehicle, roam around a bit more. And this is why you never load on an uneven platform, because then your car gets stuck. But we'll fix it. Perfect. Now, if you guys say anything, I can't hear you. The engine is really loud in this thing. Hold on, let me see if I can actually tone it down. Alright, perfect. Yeah, now I can hear you guys. Perfect. Loud and clear. And weirdly enough, I do believe someone else is over here as well. I hope you guys can still hear me though, because I can't hear anyone from your side.
Yeah, we can hear you clearly. All good.
Alright. Excellent, excellent. So there we go. We're gonna have massive road structures. That's gonna connect the entire island, all the grids together. And we're gonna have freeways as well. For starters, we're gonna be working around the smaller items, and then of course we're gonna have like massive, highways that people can go from one grid to another on that. And then of course at the end of the day, everyone, since I saw the chats and everyone was talking about monetization and the many of the uses of the island, that's where these advertisements come in play. Yaka, do you want to tell us something about the advertisements, how we're aiming to go about that, or should I just let the people know about what our plan is?
Yeah, I can speak about this for a bit. So we will be working with outside agencies, Web2 agencies, who are working with clients, brands across the world that are looking to tap into the Web3 space and are looking to advertise in the in the Web3, metaverses, games, all that stuff. So that's already in motion, and so you will see a lot of known
यार
brands,
मेरे ना ऊपर
companies.
कंप्यूटर के ऊपर वो सबवे का एक सैंडविच पड़ा हुआ है, बोले हाँ कंप्यूटर के ऊपर.
Nabil, can you mute, please? Thank you.
Everyone
So
here
yes,
wanted a sandwich.
now
Am
you
I
know
not
what.
mute?
No, you're not muted. No.
Oh Lord, it says mute over here. I am so sorry.
All good, all good. A blooper for the YouTube. Everyone will know that Nabil is having a sandwich. So yes, and of course the whole revenue and all that stuff won't go just to Virtua. It will be fairly shared. I'll say like that for now, and we'll let you know more in the future when we start rolling this features out. But yeah, so I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you guys like what you see. If it's better than you expected, if it's worse than you expected, let us know. We are all very excited working on this. So luckily, in 2 to 3 months, we'll be able to launch phase 1 as expected. So. Ramil, you wanna? Is there anything else you wanna show apart from all this beautiful scenery?
Apart from these, that is pretty much it for now. We can show the peeps how the teleportation works one more time. You just switch to 2D. You have the map over here. You have your different grids. You have the sectors, and of course, you have the plot IDs. You literally just click it, and boom, you're like right next to the nearest plot that was, and that's it. That's how teleportation will work, and that makes it a lot easier for people because, not gonna lie, this island is absolutely massive. It's still under development. Many of the things that are far away, they're still hidden, so you guys can't exactly tell how massive this is. But just for an idea, this sector right here that we're in, this is one of the smaller sectors that we're in. So you know that this place is just absolutely massive. Plus, it's pretty peaceful for now, I like the stars. It's pretty quiet. I'm all alone for now, so that's good. But later, of course, we will be having servers, multiplayer. We're aiming to go for 50 plus people at the same time, so I'll just enjoy the peace while I can. And that's all I have for today, guys.
Yeah, but as you can also see, you have a chat down there.
Yep.
You forgot to mention the chat. You have chat room, so people will be able to chat directly. There is also voice integrated, so you'll be able to talk directly. So, yeah, we're working, guys. We're not joking. This is getting out.
Yep, pretty much. Hold on. What else do I have?
Someone asked how you will be able to get to the crib. I don't think you have this in this build yet, but when you get close to your crib, for example, you can just enter the crib, or you can,
What will be happening is that when you go to the crib, right about here, at the midpoint where you are at the crib, we'll just have a toggle, and then you can switch to the cribs that already exist. Public cribs will obviously be easily accessible. You can just go to a public crib from here. You can go to your own crib, and of course the ones that are locked, not so much. But public cribs you can definitely access easily directly from here.
So someone suggested that if there would be possibility to put on sale sign on, and we already discussed this before, but it is something that we will be exploring for sure, that you will be able to clearly see which plots are on sale.
Offers are on sale. All right, yeah, definitely. It'll need a lot of work from the developers. We'll need to figure stuff out, but the recommendations are always welcome. There's so much stuff that we take from the community, and that's why these sessions are really important, because we like getting the feedback so that we know what you guys want and what you guys deserve. Without these sessions, we won't exactly know what you guys want. So always like send us, your suggestions. It always
And
helps us in making the build better.
and as I promised, from now on, every month we'll have a dev update like that, so you'll be able to see, what we did in that past month. You'll see how the UX UI experience is getting better. You'll be able to see how you enter your crib, all those stuff. But between now and I think the beta launch, we'll have two to three more of those, maximum three.
Yep.
Of those. So I thought that I'll be able to share this already this month with some of the members from the ambassador team, but it will have to wait a week or two to get this a bit more stable. But I'm sure that you'll be able to roam around very soon to test, and then of course send feedback and all that stuff. Asad, you want to share anything about the art side and all that stuff? How you guys your experience from the art side, and me trying to be the bad guy?
Yeah. So initially when we started this project, we were like looking at different art styles and what type of art style we're gonna use for this. So we wanted to create a metaverse that feels familiar, as well as it should have these fantasy elements to it. So we aimed for this semi-realistic kind of this art style using real-world principles for scaling, and we infused a bit of fun elements and a bit of fantasy to have this like unexpected design and creative freedom that we wanted for this metaverse to have. But what you see here has these like real world physics behind it, so it's like familiar for everyone, like driving a car, roaming around, scaling of the cribs and everything that you see here is like based on real world assets, but it does have that fantasy look to it. It does have that like semi-realism to it. So yeah, that was our initial goal, to make it look like everyone knows where they are.
Perfect. Okay, so let me just quickly check if there are any dev-related questions here that you two can maybe answer. If not, if it's more like business marketing stuff, I'll answer later. Just give me a second. Is the map and cribs correct? Yes, the map is completely aligned. Like you saw on the 2D map. It will be the cribs and all that stuff that you guys were buying are completely the same in this 3D world. We just added a lot of stuff. When you check the 2D map, you don't have much details on when it comes to the bridge, the under bridge, all that stuff. You don't see in the 2D map that's going to be in the 3D world. But the rest, the plots that you bought and all that stuff, it's as it should be, in all the lakes and water bodies and everything that it was there. When you join outside, will it be with everyone online automatically, or do you have to join people directly? No. When you join, it's multiplayer. It's like you would be joining a multiplayer game. People are just there walking around, driving a car, all that stuff. We will have spawn points, if that's what you meant. We will have different spawn points across the island where you spawn, and then you can teleport wherever you want. Will there be any PvP areas on Cardano Island? It's in the plan. That's all I'm gonna say, but for me to tell you this more directly, I need to tell you first something else that I can't. About a game that it's coming to Virtua as well. Anyone else has anything like that? You can tell. I will. I promise. It's not far away. It's not far away. And you guys will like it. The real so no, Nobleman, you won't be able to see. Maybe it's hard to say if in the future yes, but right now no. You won't be able to see from the inside. You won't be able to see people walking around your crypt, because for now, as things are, they are still two different builds, right? The crypts, the condos are WebGL, while Cardano Island is downloadable. So when we merge these two, you never know. I have to talk with Asad on this. He'll say no. I'll say let's try. He'll say no, it's not possible. I'll say yes, please, let's do it. And then we'll figure out something.
Like always.
it's always like this. Ask him about animals. No, it's we won't talk about animals. How many players will one instance of Cardano Island allow? Well, I don't know what that would mean. That's probably a better dev question. So that's probably for you, Asad, or maybe Nabil, if still here.
So we're using a multiplayer technology called Fusion, and it boasts a lot of players. I can't give you a number at the moment because it's early development at the moment, but it will be more than 50.
That's in your site, not in the whole map.
Yeah.
That's what you see. That's what you see. It's not. Yeah. You saw that your range of site is not that big, so more than 50 people in that, it will be. Imagine they're all talking, rough one. Imagine if they all talk, all 50 people at the same time. You will not delete 30 of them. So yeah. Okay, I think that's it, guys, for the MetaQuest headset. It's not out of the picture yet, Granddaddy Crypto, because it's Unity, but it's not something we are currently working on. But in the future, it's not out of the picture because it's Unity, so it's possible. Okay, then. Asad, Ramil, Nabil, thanks everyone for joining for this first one. We are still a bit rusty, I know. It's been a while since we had this. But I know that... Windows desktop only. Who would be the right person? I think Mac build will also be an option, right?
So for now, it will be Windows PC laptop only for now. And then we'll work on the Macintosh build.
Macintosh. Okay. Sounds good.
I love how Nabil said Macintosh.
Macintosh, like a true OG.
OG.
Okay, yeah, I mean, probably you meant when we release it, then you start working on the Mac version as well, right? Not you're not working on it at the same time.
That is
okay.
Correct.
Yes, I knew. Okay, perfect. So, anyone? How many weather types was there? I think I was teasing Nostradamus. He once asked if we'll just have sunshine and rainbows on the Cardano Island, and I think I teased him like 14 days ago if he can guess how many weather types we'll have. I think you said 20. Is that correct?
We have rainbows, we have snow, we have rain, maybe some
storms
as well.
Snow.
There was hail as well.
Yep, hail as well.
Yep, hail as well. We also have that really bad, slightly polluted, hazy weather as well. That too, because you have clear sunshine, then you have that little hazy sunshine as well with a yellowish sky. We've aimed at several different weather types, so hopefully we'll be showing you guys that as well. Oh, and one thing that nobody talked about, and I completely forgot about as well, we will also be integrating an emote wheel. So if you just happen to find a friend, just give them a little wave. So yeah.
That's cool. Okay, thanks everyone for for tuning this to this first dev update. Excited to see you next month on the next one, and we'll be just 1 month closer to the beta. Keep sending questions, keep sending suggestions, all that stuff. Our respected moderators are writing everything down and sharing them with us. Thanks, everyone.
All right, guys. Thank you very much.
All right, guys. Thanks a lot. Take care, all.